Playa, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a real one already, my name is Iman, and on this channel I recreate makeup and hair looks done by celebrities on the most bomb, the most bomb makeup artists and hairstylists. So if that sounds like your type of content, honey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? So as you all know, the celebrity I'll be doing today is Doja. So the makeup artist that did her makeup his name is David Velasquez, and his Instagram name is like Mogupus or something like that. I'll post it. You'll see it. He does her makeup. I guess he's her key makeup artist. And when I tell you, he ain't disappointed yet. Doja Cat's makeup, anytime he does it, she looks phenomenal. And he always does really bright eyeshadows, which I love because I'm an eyeshadow girl. Like, I love to have me some eyeshadows. I'm not like a really neutral girl and natural glam. I like it all. I like color, okay? And he definitely brings it. So I'm gonna recreate this beautiful blue eyeshadow look that he did on her. And we're gonna get into the video, honey. So let's get started. Milk Hydro grip, baby, because this thing grip like it say it do. So I like to apply it. I really like the focus primer on my T-zone because I don't really gotta worry about anywhere else on my face or melting or anything. The T-zone, baby, it's an oily ass mess. So did it like this here, and it's about to be that time of the month, so my skin is acting crazy, so I'm definitely gonna need to correct this time with my L'Oreal concealer. Is this the right color? No, it's not. Okay, definitely gonna correct the darkness and a little bit on my breakouts. Okay, because her look is very full coverage. I've never seen like a natural neutral look on her. They're always really bold, so we're gonna follow the rules. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the products that he used on her, but I have the lashes. I have the Lily lashes. Excellent. Let me see. Yeah, he just wrote down like the brands. He didn't use he didn't write the specific products, but that's okay because we're gonna improvise. We're gonna do the best we can to beat Miss Doja, as Zachary Campbell said. I think he called her Doja Cat or something like that. It's cute. I like that. Okay, we got that going on. I'm gonna go with my favorite, one of my favorite full coverage foundations from Giorgio Armani. Unfortunately, this brand doesn't have like a lot of shades, but the shade it does have works for me, especially because this one is like a little bit darker than my complexion, but it works because I got a little bit of tan action going on because I've been running outside when I do my workouts, so baby been getting a little chocolate in the face. You feel me? Okay. Now that this is when I look crazy. The way this lighting is on this camera, I didn't adjust it, so sorry if I'm looking a little tan. But I promise I'm not this brown in person. So I'm gonna go really light on the concealer with my e.l.f. concealer. This one is a very light color, and cause she's beat, honey, so we ain't holding back at all today. And then I bring it down the bridge of my nose. Boom, shot it. Okay, so now it's going contour time. What am I contouring with? Ooh, what was I going to contour with? I swear like all my makeup just fell off, but I can't figure out. I didn't pick anything out to contour with. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do these black opal foundations. Okay, I'm going to use the black opal foundation in Ebony Brown. Cheekbones need to be snatched, okay? Get rid of some of this extra chin that I don't need. And we're gonna get rid of some of this forehead head that I don't need. Okay, all right. Everybody good? Everybody good? Okay. What's my good brush, honey? Excellent. So y'all know I like to blend upward on my chin, down the jawline. As my concealer dries. Ooh, look at that cheekbone, shawty. Ooh, we get this side. Okay. It's tripping. My weave is in the way. What is you doing? What? Okay. So with my Juno and Co sponge, my favorite, we start with our chin down here and then bring it upward while letting underneath the eye still set a little bit. That's how I like to do mine. Boom. And this concealer is like really thick and creamy. I like a heavier concealer. Some people like it to be natural, but I like mine heavier. Like I like my foundation medium coverage, but I like my concealers to be thick, honey. I want all the coverage on there. Cause like when it comes to foundation, I like to do the work. I don't know why. That's just me. Like I don't need a full coverage foundation, especially because I don't feel like I need one. You know, I could really, especially because I correct prior. Like I could really get away with just foundation. Like I don't really need to correct too much. But I'm just like I don't need full coverage foundation at all times. Like it's not. It depends on the makeup look I'm doing, but I'm not. When I'm looking for foundations, I'm not looking for full coverage. Medium will do the job just right for me. So, like I say, okay. So what was I going with the story? I blend inward when I blend my concealer to keep the product, you know, placed where I want to, and not have to, you know, accidentally blend it past my cheek because I want my cheekbones to be high. Okay. We could dream. All right, I'm gonna stop talking and blend this out. I tell you guys all the time, I only bring the concealer to the side of the nose because I don't like to contour my nose because I like my big nose. So I don't be doing too much. Kind of use the residue and kind of like bring it up to the side of my nose because yeah, I like having a big nose. Sometimes the concealer gets a little stiff because you leave it on there too long. I just take my continuous setting spray and loosen it up a bit. Just a little bit. Don't make it too wet because then you're going to take away product and then that's going to be a big ass spot right there. You're like, damn, I just put all that makeup on there for no reason. Yeah, don't do that. We got that together, and like I always do, oh, that's the wrong brush. I go back with my foundation brush that I use and blend the foundation and the concealer and the contour all together. Like sometimes they look a little messy on the nose, and I just fix it with the residue of the foundation. Okay, so with my MAC Studio Fix bronzer, we're going to contour up. Okay, so now I'm going to take my favorite freaking loose powder from ABH and do my press and roll method like you guys know I always do. So I take the product and put it directly in my crease and press it all up underneath my eye. Press and roll, press and roll, press and roll. Press and roll, press and roll, press and roll. And because this is a very colorful eyeshadow look, we're going to try to stick some of it on, not necessarily bake, but leave some left. Because like I said, when I bake, I'll be looking crazy. So, oh yeah, what I like to do is take the rest of the concealer. We'll take some concealer and kind of like sculpt out my jaw a little bit more to get it a little bit more defined. Okay. So, and I'm going to wipe away some of the residue where it's not needed. Okay, we're just going to time lapse the brows because that's going to take a little minute. So let's get into these brows. Okay, brows are on, so it's time to get into. Why do my brows look crazy like this? Okay, so now I'm going to take this Juvia's Place palette with this brown color, and I'm going to make that basically my lid color. I'm gonna make that like on the lid as well. If I can find the proper brush for this, that would be lovely. Okay, I'm gonna take this ABH brush. And this is just gonna be all over the lid because it looks like hers is very like matte. So that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna add some color on it, give it a little spaz, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna wing out my eyes because she has a very long wing, so we're gonna try that out. I got a little bit too far down here, but we'll fix that later. So I try to bring it like basically as far as my brows go. Okay, this one is perfect, so let's see if I can do the same thing on this side. I doubt it, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so the wings look good, baby. They look good. Okay, so the only thing I have like that David has is lily lashes. So I'm gonna use these lily lashes in Hollywood because they're very dramatic, and I feel like, you know, why not? It goes with the look, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna put these off camera, and then we're gonna finish the eyes. So let's do that. Okay, so my lashes are on. So what she also has is some blue liner. So we're gonna do the blue liner first. Should I do it? No, we're gonna do the eyeshadow first and then do the blue liner, because sometimes when you do it that way, you kind of get rid of some of the liner. When you smudge it first, you just smudge first, then add your liner. So we're gonna add the blue back on the waterline with an angled brush, honey. Okay, so my eyes keep watering, so the eyeshadow, the eyeliner is not as pigmented, so we're going to get some help from our friends of blue eyeshadow from the Magic palette from Zuvia. So let's do that, honey. We coming in so far, baby. We coming in so far. Okay, so what I have to do next? Now we're going to put on some blush, because she does got a little blush and highlighter going on. So the one I want to use, let me see, what do I want to use? Let me see what she got going on. It looks like she got some pink action going on, honey. Okay, hers looks pretty pinkish. So I'm going to mix two blushes. I'm going to use this ColourPop blush and this Morena Beauty blush. We're going to mix these two. Yeah, and then we're gonna add some Dose of Colors highlights. Ooh, yeah, this is a bit much, so let me blend some of this out. Okay, for her lips, she has a neutral and brown lip combo, which is my fave. So with my favorite liquid lip that I like to use as basically a lip liner from NARS. I'm going to do that. Okay, so now we're going to add our lip on there, a very neutral lip. Let me work some of the brown off. And then I'm going to add a dash of color. Because it looked like a dash of color, like a dash of gloss, because it looked like she got that going on as well. This is like a shimmery gloss too. Okay, makeup is done. So let me go officially turn into Doja Cat, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I have turned into Doja. I'm Doja Cat. So unfortunately I couldn't get this do-rag to be like super flat. This is harder than it looks. Like I did this like 3 times. I need some tips. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, boo, because I think I did a good job. I think I did decent. Minus the do-rag. I'm not feeling the do-rag really, but I think I did decent. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then y'all have to subscribe. Definitely follow David if you were into Doja Cat's makeup looks, because they look phenomenal. And in the meantime, in between time, sweetie poo, guess what you gotta do? You gotta check out the other videos in the playlist, because I got other makeup recreations there, and I know you want to binge watch all of them. So go ahead, get your popcorn and watch them. All right.